Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video planned. It's exciting for me, not for you guys. You guys probably don't give a shit. But I'm going to be reviewing the Twilight and Dusk palette. I got it off of Wish for probably around $10. It took a really long time to get to me, but I think that it was so worth it. I've used it once, but I absolutely loved it. I talked a little bit about it in my last video. The pigmentation is wonderful. I love it, okay? And also, my Ipsy bag is out for delivery today, so I'm just waiting for that because there is some stuff in there that I want to use. I also want to do like a little review kind of thing, or like unboxing. As soon as my Ipsy bag gets here, it is on in crack-a-lackin', bitches. Okay, let's go.
I need
So my Ipsy bag isn't actually here yet, but I already looked at the spoilers on the website, so I know exactly what I'm getting, and I know exactly what out of it that I want, so I don't need it till later. My eyebrows are already on, kind of. I just need to clean them up a little. And I already moisturized and got all the oil off my face using my Clean and Clear oil absorbing sheets. For those of you with very oily skin, these are a lifesaver, honey. Trust me. Your girl gets really oily, and those really fucking helped. Okay, so I'm just gonna prime my eyelids a little with the Smashbox Photo Finish. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do. That's what I do, so get over it. My light is low-key blinding me. I don't know how you people do this all the time. Just a touch. My mom's being weird. Okay, crazy lady. And then I'm going to conceal them with Under Eyes Disguise Full Coverage Concealer. I got it from Sally Beauty. You'll come to realize that I get a lot of stuff from Sally Beauty. It's because I go in there for one thing and they talk me into buying everything, and I'm like, what the fuck? I don't even need that. Yes, I'm doing it with my fingers. Come at me if you want. I honestly can't really see, so that's really good. I think that's fine. And before I do the other one, I am going to go in with some powder. Fuck. I'm a mess. I haven't done my makeup in a while. I've been pretty lazy. A lot of the time I'll just do some lashes and eyebrows and call it fucking good. It's crazy because I love makeup. I love doing makeup. And I think I'm okay at it. I know I'm not the best, but I am okay at it. But I'm just always way too fucking lazy to do it. And I'm way too cheap to spend hella money on expensive ass shit. So the powder I just used is the CoverGirl Clean and Professional. Okay. Remind me to never fucking do that again. I already know it's gonna be embarrassing. Now that those are concealed and set and all that fun stuff, let's get into it. I think I'm gonna go in with Amethyst. Can you see that? I'm new here. It's this one. This is like a transition color. I just had something I wanted to talk about and I 100% just fucking forgot. My whole mind just went blank. Does that ever happen to you guys? This coffee is really getting to me. Making me feel like I'm on like meth or something, but it's whatever. I love that I can see Michael Scott in my freaking mirror. Cute. I'm gonna go in, do the same thing over here. I'm like blinded, oh my god. Get out of my face, bitch. Maybe. Okay, good thing I looked. I think I should do it like this instead. I have the most ghetto setup. Like, I wish I could show you guys, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna go in with Twilight and just put that in the crease a little, not too much. Just darken it up a little. Low-key doing this like half blind, so I don't know if you guys should give me props or tell me that I'm stupid. Maybe both. I'm gonna drag this out a little further. Turkish Delight. Who named these? And I'm just gonna put it in the corner. I don't know why, so don't ask me. It's just what I'm gonna do. Oh, I'm loving this. I'm taking a little bit of this dark color. Oh my god, I don't even want to pronounce that. Nefertiti? Nefertiti. Nefertiti? Nefertiti. And I'm gonna put that somewhere. I'm just gonna tap a little bit into the freaking, like, exactly where I was just putting stuff. Just to darken it up a little more. Nefertiti. Is that what that says? Okay. Now I'm just gonna go back in with my blending brush with a little bit of amethyst, which is the first color that I used, and just kind of blend everything together. And with my finger, yep, I'm gonna go in with Musk and put that all over the lid. Please pardon my giant mirror that I'm holding. I'm struggling. Gorgeous. Guys, they're fucking beautiful, okay? Wow. Like, wow. It's beautiful. For a little tiny bit of depth, I think that's what you call it, I'm gonna go in with amber. Just right in the middle of my lid, just a little bit. Okay. I'm so excited I'm finally doing this. I've been wanting to do this for so long. You guys have no fucking idea. Oh my god, I thought I broke my brush in half. I was gonna kill myself. I'm going to fix up my brows a little with this little brush that I also got off of Wish. It came with two, but on the other one, all of these little hairs just fell out. So that made absolutely no sense to me. Okay, I use the Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown. I've had this for almost a year. Honey, doing great. Okay, I'm blind. My light's actually blinding me. Just gonna fill it in a little. Touch up, bitch. I need to plug my eyebrows, but we're not gonna talk about that. And we're also not gonna talk about my uneven eyebrows. Because I don't know how to fix that. This is fine. Except it's not. Well, I'm a mess. I have this one from Ico, London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner Black. Or I have the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. I guess I'll just use both. I'm gonna do this off camera and then come back and do, you know, I might do my lashes off camera too, I don't know, I guess we'll see. I am really glad that I did not try to film me putting on my eyelashes because that was fucking tragic. That was so hard for some reason. But I got them on and hopefully you can't tell that I struggled super bad. Okay, so my Ipsy bag still isn't here, and because I don't want this to be like a super duper long video, I'm gonna do all my face makeup off camera and then I'll come back for the unboxing, I guess you could say, of my Ipsy bag. The item in there that I really want to use is a highlighter from Morphe because I don't actually own a highlighter, so I'm super excited for that. My foundation is the Meet Your Matte by Collab. I got it at Sally Beauty. It's in the color, okay, dope, it doesn't say. I think it's tan. Of course, I'm gonna prime with my Smashbox Photo Finish and then conceal with the same concealer I concealed my eyes with, setting powder, bronzer, also from Sally, in the shade Pacific Tan. And then I just have the Maybelline Fit Me blush in shade Pink Rose. Do my bronzer with this brush and blush with this brush. It's the Firma 102. I got it in one of my previous Ipsy bags. I will see you guys in a little bit. Just gotta make sure I don't look like Flashback Mary. James Charles who? Oh my gosh, can I get in trouble for that? Okay, I am finally back. And look what I got. It's only been like 7 hours since I freaking started this video, but it's fine. Okay, so I'm really excited. I finished my face makeup, obviously. Oh, look at how cute it is. Sponsor me, Ipsy. First is this little friggin' eyeshadow palette. It's not really a palette, it's like it's a little eyeshadow thing. I don't know my terms. You know? I talk a lot of shit about how I can do anything with these nails. I got it. I ain't no bitch, alright? Swatch this for you. She cute. Obviously you can tell which is which. Oh, these are cute. I might actually use these. I got this brush. I could have waited for this too, but I didn't want to. It's a Goodnight 110 brush. Also, look at my nails. I believe it said this was a concealer brush. So, like I said, I could have waited and used this, but I didn't feel like it. And then I have a little... God, I'm bad at this. I freaking don't know how to read, so how am I supposed to tell you what this is? It's for your hair. Pardon me, I'm retarded. Don't know how to say that. I'm not going to use any right now because my hair looks like shit, so why waste it? Oh, it smells really good. Okay, I just swamped my finger. I like that. Okay, I'm excited to use that. And then I got this eyeliner, which I also could have waited to use, but still did not want to. Got it. Oh. Shiitake mushrooms. Okay. Well, it's black. Tattooed waterproof eyeliner. Insanely intense tattooed waterproof eyeliner, to be exact. It is a nice black line. Looks like it'll be really nice to do a wing with. So I will definitely be using this in my next makeup video. And finally, the product that I waited this whole time for. It's my Morphe High Impact Highlighter in the color Spark. And for those of you that don't know what Ipsy is, it's $10 a month. You go in and fill out like a little form about yourself, like your makeup, your likes, like what brands you like what kind of makeup you're into. And then every month they send you a cute little bag with little samples in them, which this is bomb as fuck for being a sample, because this is big, you know, like I'm not gonna go through this that freaking fast. Oh, honey, ignore that. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Cute. Okay, so I definitely feel like I'm gonna get judged for the brush that I'm about to use. I don't have a highlighter brush. That is so pretty. Holy crap, I'm excited. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I'm fucking dead. Okay. Please don't come at me for using this brush. Like, I'm a highlighter queen. Oh my god, I say that I don't even own a fucking highlighter. Oh. This was worth the wait, okay? I'm so excited. So if you want to go sign up for Ipsy, use my code. I'm just fucking kidding, I don't have one. For 0% off. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I just uploaded a video a few days ago all about my red hair, if you haven't seen that, or my very first video. Alright. That's it, bitches. Come back, subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends, share with your mama.